Compressors create condensation by nature. This moisture often contains oil and other contaminants that may inhibit the compressor from working optimally, leading to higher operating costs and premature equipment failure. Spartan Scientific Series CRDVS is a condensate removal drain valve designed as an easy-to-use, money-saving solution that automatically removes condensate from your compressor's air lines. With state-of-the-art water-sensing technology that doesn't rely on timers and won't allow air into your system. As water enters the CRDVS, the device learns to open the valve more or less often to balance both water and demand. Once set up, it runs itself without necessary adjustments. It is truly a set-it-and-forget-it device. The CRDVS, when combined with optional Wi-Fi, offers a variety of features via a secure desktop website platform and iOS Android app. These tools help make your entire facility more efficient and cost-effective by practicing predictive maintenance.
What we wanted to do was enhance the preventative maintenance of your factory, of your compressor, by enhancing the CRDVS to the point where it can connect to Wi-Fi and be able to monitor the amount of condensate coming out of your compressor at the time.
Wi-Fi connection allows viewing real-time data log statistics on water removal, temperature, cumulative and daily cycling data. You can also set up text and email alerts for unusual changes in system behavior and record system data to monitor how it reacts under certain conditions.
So the idea of this valve is it's green in that it only cycles when there's water and not at other times, not like a drain valve with a timer.
The options, utility, size, ease of installation, and price of the CRDVS rival the benefits of conventional timed electric drains for a variety of industries. The CRDVS is American-made, tested, and backed by the support of Spartan Scientific's expert sales and engineering teams.
The CRDVS is made right here in Youngstown, Ohio, and we're very, very proud of it.
Contact us to learn more today.